back to Let's Talk. This is me, Meera. What are we going to learn today? Well, today we're going to learn how to wish people good luck and simply cheer them up. Make them do their best or make them perform in a way that they would have not thought of before going on stage, probably. You know, in the first place, the reason why I really like cheering someone up, even if they're just down, well, not for a particular test or an interview, but just to cheer them up. I really like doing that to people because that really boosts someone's confidence. And wishing someone good luck the right way does the job so much better. I'm telling you that there have been times where just a simple good luck, and that too in a very, very creative way, has made my day, and I have cracked really difficult interviews at one point of time. And that is when I thought that, hey, let's study this in our English class today, right? So are you guys ready for it? Great. By the way, there is one quick tip for you. As and when we go forward, you will realize that there are a lot of different words and set of combinations which are not regular in grammar, right? But they're actually recognized by Google Voice Recognition, so you can actually try it someday, and you would realize that Google is now recognizing these weird combination of spellings and alphabets and words all together. Okay, let's quickly get started. All right, the first way to wish someone good luck is, hey, fly high. What does this mean? I'm actually trying to tell the person that don't limit yourself to anything. Just think that sky is the limit. The possibilities are huge, and just go for it. And you are lucky today, and you will get what you want, okay, and what you've been preparing for. So fly high is just, you know, trying to reach the sky, okay? So it's limitless, right? Sky high. Of course, you can message this to someone, you can call someone and boost their energy, cheer them up. Believe me, they would do, if nothing, 50%, they would give in more than what they were before you wishing them good luck. Okay, let's look at the next one, guys. The next one is shine on. Well, this particularly comes from, you know, diamonds or things that really shine and glow, that steal people's heart, that make others just get attracted towards something shiny. Doesn't that happen to you guys as well? That you see something shiny and you're like, oh, so your attention is immediately goes towards something shiny, right? Something that is bright. So when you wish someone good luck, you can always say, hey, shine on, which means glow and be bright so much that the attention is focused on you and nobody else around you, right? So shine on means bright, you know, glow, and be the best among the others and be the most attractive amongst the others around you. May it be for interview or may it just be for some campus competitions. You never know, but this will definitely work. Okay, now the next one is blow them away. This one particularly, I find it's very interesting because you're actually wishing someone by asking them to blow others away. Not literally, of course, but to blow someone's minds. And you are like, when you perform, people in front of you go like, wow, this is fantastic. He or she took my breath away. Probably at an interview, you give such a witty answer that everyone is super impressed and you've blown their minds off. That's another way to wish someone good luck. It's really in, it's really hep, it's very peppy, it does its job really well. So blowing them away, it's something which is breathtaking, okay? All right, so remember this to wish someone good luck the next time, okay? Whether it's a stage performance or whether it's a test, doesn't matter. Okay then, Get the game face on. Have you ever seen sportsmen or people who go to the gym or people who are out there achieving, especially when it comes to a physical activity? They have a very, very firm and a sturdy and a serious face, which is supremely focused towards the winning goal. And that's the literal meaning of this wish or this good luck wish or charm, to get the game face on, that you start thinking in the most focused manner that the only thing you can see in front of you is victory and is the game that you're going to win. Okay, so get the game face on actually means win or being focused. Okay, this too really helps, guys, especially when it comes to physical activities, okay, such as sports, for example. Okay, moving on, fun to do the impossible. This one was recently sent to me by a friend of mine when I was going to perform on stage, right? So that was the performance that I was about to do was something that I've never done before. It was out of my comfort zone. And I just get this message right before I go on stage. It says that, hey, go for it. It's fun to do the impossible. And it was so nice. It cheered me up. It was such a quick pep talk by someone. And that friend of mine knew that, hey, I know it's impossible. You're doing something very difficult, but you love it and you know that it's fun. So go for it and get it and just do it, okay? So fun to do the impossible is just simply means, you know, do what you have to do and do what you love, okay? So there's no particular meaning, but definitely something that has attracted me in the recent most times. Okay? Quickly moving on to the next one, guys. Show them who's the boss. Now, obviously, you might think that, hey, Meera ma'am, the spelling is quite not correct. It's actually B-O-S-S. But let me tell you guys, this is a very, very slang version of saying boss, and the pronunciation too is really, really hip, and it goes boss, right? With the B-A-W-S-E. You know, it simply means go get them and show them who's the boss. Don't think any less of yourself. You are good. You have been working hard towards this. Don't think of anything else. No matter what they ask you, don't worry. You have prepared for it. You've done your hard work. It's time to shine. Just go there with a smile probably and just take their breaths off and show them that you are no less. You too are equally good. Okay? So this just means equally good and hardworking as well. Moving on from here, we have something called as Godspeed. Well, this is a very, very, it's an American way of wishing someone good luck, especially when it comes to someone who's, taking up on a new journey, whether it's shifting jobs, right, from one stream to another, or someone who's shifting from one country to another, right? So Godspeed actually means wishing someone good luck, especially when that person is going on a new journey. Make sure that the next time you find your friend who tells you that I'm moving out of the city or I'm going on a different path when it comes to my career, just send them Godspeed. You would do it. Don't worry about it. Okay? Then next is break a leg. Well, this actually, it's an ironic way of wishing someone good luck by asking someone to break something. Well, that's not what it actually means. It usually is wished for people who are going to go on stage and performing, probably musicians or dancers. That's how it started originally, So you can use this for someone who are going to go on stage, who are performers, stage performers. Okay, of course, that doesn't mean you have to just restrict yourself to stage performers. You can always wish anybody good luck by saying, go break a leg. That means go, do what you have to do, and you will do well in it, and you would fare well in it. Okay, moving on from here, we have get them. I think this one has been existing ever since I have known. It just means that, hey, you know what? Just speed up, just run like a, like be as fast as the light and just go, get them hard and make sure that you get what you wanted. You go for the goal and you get it back home. That's just what it means. That's what get them actually means. All right? And the last one that I have is, according to me, something that can boost someone's energy or anybody's energy so much that they will actually end up getting what they wanted 100%. You are it. Full stop. Do not forget the full stop, because I think it makes the whole sentence so much more stronger. You are telling someone that, hey, you know what? Don't be worried about anything. Don't think of anything. My luck is with you and you have worked hard for it. You are it. There's no competition. It's just you. And the kind of luck or the kind of boost that this sentence can give someone is really priceless. It can make someone feel ace. Ace as in victorious, or the best of them all, right? So you can always use this. This means that the person is ace, okay? This means that person can do whatever he or she has decided to do. All right, guys. That's all for today, but do not forget to wish people good luck for their new journey, for their performances, probably their interviews or their tests. No matter what you want to do, make sure that you use the most innovative and a creative way to wish your friends, family, acquaintances, new ones, just good luck. Well, that's all for today, but no worries, I will be coming back very soon right here with a new and interesting lesson. Until then, guys, make sure that you practice, make sure that you smile, spread a lot of love. This is me, Meera, signing off for the day. Bye.